Monopoly Go tips and tricks for beginners. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see the ways to get better at Monopoly Go. So first of all, make sure that you have added some friends into Monopoly Go and some of your friends are actually playing. This way you would be able to gain some advantage in this particular game. You would be able to open up this particular box of wealth in the Monopoly Go, and also you will be able to trade stickers and other stuff on Monopoly Go if you have friends. For that, just simply click on friends and invite your friends either through contact or Facebook, or you can invite them using any other platform also. Just simply click on the option of invite, and over here you will be able to find the option of invite. Just click over here and use any of the platform in order to invite them, and you would also be getting extra dice for it. So it's better to invite friends in order to get some extra dice right from the beginning. And the second tip would be to use multiplier quite wisely, because after a point in this particular game you would be getting multipliers, and whenever you are near to the prison, make sure that you use multiplier quite wisely and reduce them. After you pass the prison, then it's better to use multipliers, because if you hit the prison with higher multipliers, you will end up losing not just money but also your dice if you are not able to get out of prison. So it's better to use your multipliers wisely. Like, you should use your multipliers right before the railroads and other stuff which is beneficial for you. And also go to the build when you have enough cash, so you can just complete all the landmarks in one go. This way the chances of getting hit by someone else and not completing that particular stage are reduced. And also have patience while playing this particular game and let the rolls come up and let them collect, and after accumulating a good amount of rolls, just use them in one go. This way you would be able to progress quite faster, and even if you won't have any shield, you would be able to clear up in one go and save a lot of money and dices. And this is how you do it. And these are some tips for the beginners, and in case if you want some advanced level tips, then just simply comment down below and I will give out some useful tips as well. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.